Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Struggling with a malfunctioning micro SD card slot on your tablet? Don't worry, we're here to guide you through how to fix micro SD card slot on tablet. With just a few steps, you can restore your device's storage capability, ensuring you can keep all your favorite apps and media at your fingertips. Step 1. Inspect for physical damage. Before diving into any complex solutions, it's crucial to check for obvious physical issues. Remove the micro SD card and shine a light into the slot to examine for dirt, dust, or bent pins. Use a soft brush or a can of compressed air to gently clean out any debris. If you notice any bent pins inside the slot, consider using a small pair of tweezers to carefully realign them. However, exercise caution as excessive force can cause permanent damage. Step 2. Check the SD card. Sometimes the problem isn't with the slot, but with the SD card itself. Try inserting a different SD card to determine if the issue persists. If the secondary card works fine, your original SD card might be faulty. To confirm, insert it into another device like a different tablet or computer to see if it's recognized. If not, consider reformatting the card, but remember this will erase all data, so back up anything important first. Step 3. Update the tablet software. Software glitches can also lead to SD card issues. Go to Settings, System, Advanced System Update, and ensure your on-tablet software is up to date. Installing the latest updates can resolve compatibility issues and potentially fix bugs that might be affecting the micro SD card slot's functionality. Once updated, restart your tablet to see if the problem has been resolved. Step 4. Factory reset the tablet. As a last resort, consider performing a factory reset. This step wipes all data from your device, so ensure all critical information is backed up beforehand. To proceed, navigate to Settings, System, Reset Options, Erase All Data, or Factory Reset. After the reset, your tablet will be in its original state, which can often resolve software-related issues affecting the SD card slot. Once completed, attempt to reinsert the SD card to check if functionality has been restored. Fixing the micro SD card slot on your tablet involves a few critical steps, from inspecting for physical damage to considering software solutions. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can troubleshoot and potentially restore your device's ability to read and write to external storage, enhancing both utility and enjoyment. While these steps will work in many cases, if the issue persists despite your best efforts, it might be time to seek professional help. Remember to handle your device carefully and always back up your data when performing resets or card formatting. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your tech repair journey. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips.